Good morning, boys, and happy Monday. I hope you had a good, restful weekend and you're ready to work again this week. This starts week 5 of at home learning, and this week we're learning about the ER, IR, and UR spelling patterns. Now remember, those have that bossy R in there, that controlled R, which means the R takes over the sound. So this week, when we're reading the words with the ER, IR, or the UR spelling pattern, remember, when we see that, it just says so we don't separate it out and pronounce it or or It's just So let's take a look at this one right up here. And let's sound out each piece together. Now remember, the ER is together on the same card to remind your brain that it just makes one sound. So let's practice this. I want you to listen first and then you repeat after me. Let's try it. Heard, heard. Okay, so let's put it all together. The word is heard. Now, when you see that word, it's not talking about like I heard you say something. It's talking about a group of animals, like cows, a herd of cows. Let's look at the ones down below and let's do the same thing. I want you to do it with me. Let's do the first one together. Sh-ert. Okay, let's do it one more time. Sh-ert. Shirt. Remember, it's got that arrow there underneath going this way to remind you that once you sound out the words, we're going to swipe it to put the word together and say it all at once. Okay, let's do the last one. Herb. Let's do it one more time. Herb. Let's swipe it and put it together. Curb. So we have heard, shirt, curb. And those are all examples of words with the ER, IR, and the UR, controlled R spelling patterns. Let's practice a few more. Go ahead and grab your dry erase board and come on back, and we're going to do some more.